Welcome to analysis of striking a football using Tom Lewis as an example. We'll start with the full video so you can see it the full way through the first time before we begin to break it down. But as we break it down, you can begin to see at the beginning of his run up he takes a few steps to his left before crossing his legs. This is a big mistake as it actually decreases the amount of power that you can put in the strike, and he uses the laces so that we do know that he is trying to shoot with power. Moving on now, as we get to this point, you can see that his legs are in a good position, but as he goes to strike it from the hips up, you can see a slight imbalance. This is shown as the angle of his left arm is a bit higher than it should be at roughly 160 degrees. Also, his head isn't completely over the ball and he's leaning back. This will cause the ball to lift and give Tom less control of over where the ball will end up. So now as we begin to move on to the follow through, during the follow through Tom twists his entire body before bringing his striking foot back to the ground. This twist shouldn't happen at all as it's seen as incorrect technique. Also you can see Tom puts his striking leg at almost 90 degrees across his body before bringing it back to the ground. If we compare this to Zlatan Ibrahimovic, you can see that after his shot, his striking foot stays almost in line with the direction of the ball, bringing it back down to the ground. This means that the ball is more likely to go in the direction giving Ibrahimovic more control over the ball. But now as we go on to it here, you can see what I meant by Tom's arm should be at roughly 180 degrees, not 160 degrees, which helps Zlatan Ibrahimovic generate more power into the shot. Now if we look again from a better angle, you can see that Zlatan's arm goes at 180 degrees. And as you see with the follow through, his arm goes straight forward and then it goes back. There's no twisting action, it doesn't go off to the left at all, unlike Tom's.